the eye doctor, they give you glasses, you put them over your eyes, you go back to the eye doctor again, the doctor says, well, your prescription's a little worse, we should give you thicker ones. So you go back and they give you thicker ones, and then you have now thicker glasses, and you keep coming back till your eyes and your glasses are like this thick, they're like so thick like this, that you can't even see anything, because these things have completely blocked the UV spectrum and every spectrum you need to see to heal. And you're not using them anymore, because you got glasses to do the work for you. If you don't use it, you lose it. And if you don't feed it, it's going to fall apart. So how does it make sense to keep going back to the same person who's telling you to keep putting these thicker and thicker and thicker and thicker glasses on, and then your eyes are going to get better? Doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense. But if you started training them, start doing eye exercises, start putting some castor oil and some pearl all over your eyes, and you start feeding these beautiful eyes that are here, and give them some structured water, they begin to heal, and you can see again. And it's remarkable because we can reverse everything. We are self-regenerating beings. I've had so many people where they reach out to me and said, I've actually started to regenerate my eyesight. I went to the eye professional, and my eyesight has actually reversed. The points are going backwards. And that's the thing, when we address the root cause, which is usually lack of nutrition, or maybe a lot of toxin overload, or we're not using them, and what happens is they begin to